Good evening and welcome everyone to this after classes ebullience. I'm sure you all have heard about after party, isn't it? So
Yes,
after
ma'am.
when you think about after
Yes.
party,
Yes, ma'am.
what is like after party is like so much fun, isn't it? So I have tried to create some light things for you, which you people can enjoy today. Uh, I also thought to basically take you through this particular thing. Hope you will recall it. So I thought we talk about Mentoring Club B, Mentoring Club.
Yes, ma'am.
You should know who are there in this club, right? So that's why I got this picture, and we all are the proud members at the current time of this club. So for the agenda for the day, which you were waiting for, is here. So we are going to have 5 games today. Two of them are individual games and 3 of them are team games. Teams I will make. Teams I will make. I will make the random team and we will play as per that team. Okay. Or I will make the random team and then we will play. So I think all of you are here. Shall we start with the game?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So the game one for the day is this lie detector. What does the game means? It's very simple. We all have to say 2 truths and 1 lie about ourselves. And others have to guess it, what is a lie.
Okay.
Does it make any sense for you? I will start with myself and then accordingly we can go ahead. So up to you people, and meanwhile you can think. We will get 1 minute to think about it. So for me, the 3 statements are: I plan a cheating with my friend during my college days. I have done cliff jumping. Teaching was always my first career choice.
Ma'am, teaching was your
Teaching
Ma'am,
was not your
teaching was
first.
not
This is
your
like
first career choice. This
This
is
is,
the lie.
this is a lie. So all of you agree with this as a lie? I think I have spoken about it. It was not a lie actually.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So that is. So now up to you people. Now you people think about it and सब अपने मन में सोच लो. And the way it is coming on my screen, I will start calling the people like that only. So we will start with Shreyas.
No, ma'am.
Because you take a minute. You take a minute, think about it.
Okay.
I'm sure everyone else is thinking now, what will I say? I like veg food.
पहला वाला ही लाई
Lie.
मैंने तो सुना नहीं. I
that
didn't hear
first
the
one
line.
is like
Ruko. I like veg food. I prefer mutton over chicken.
Lie.
Veg food. I prefer mutton over chicken. And the third one is I like mess food.
ये झूठ है
Okay, करो.
So guys,
I think
like
first one.
okay.
But rule will be only one lie, right?
Yeah, only one lie.
Or any
One lie.
Only one
one
lie.
lie. Okay. I guess first one.
Okay.
Ma'am, I guess third one.
Third one.
Ma'am, mutton chicken wala.
Okay. He like mutton
He
over
love
chicken.
he love veg.
Okay.
Like so, preferably he'll more go towards the chicken.
Okay. Shreyas, over to you.
I'm third one. Third one was a lie.
Okay.
Yay, I won.
Okay. Let's listen to Shubham now. Shubham, next is you.
Ma'am, first one is I used to enjoy this class, and second one is uh, I always want to explore new things over the computer, and I uh, I never enjoyed marketing class.
क्या third one क्या था? Third one क्या था?
Never
He
enjoyed
never
marketing
enjoyed
class.
marketing class.
इसने फंसा दिया है. If I say कि the lie is he enjoy the current class, तो भी गए. And if he says वो lie है तब भी मतलब guys, I don't know him. You people tell.
Real marketer.
दोनों केस में मेरा ही घाटा है. In both the cases, I am at the losing end.
मैम इसलिए यूपीएससी एग्जाम लिखता है मैम वो सच में मिलता है यहाँ पे.
Well, guys, what do you think?
Last one is the lie. Marketing.
Okay,
I think he will enjoy
I'll
marketing.
go for the safe option, second option.
that's a lie. That is not a lie. That is not possible as a lie.
First one. I guess first one.
First one.
First one.
He is enjoying these classes. That is a lie.
First one.
Yes, sir.
Srikanth,
First one.
Florin, Neha, what do you think?
He said that he used to enjoy these classes in the first one. So still
Yes, ma'am.
enjoys.
First
He doesn't.
one.
He wasn't used to. Still,
Still, yeah.
so first one.
Sunitra?
My 3 points are
नहीं अभी सुनेत्रा पहले इसका शुभम का क्या सोचा क्या लाए है then we will come to you. अभी शुभम से हमने पूछा नहीं ना. We didn't ask from शुभम.
marketing classes का बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है.
अच्छा ये इसने झूठ बोला है. This is a lie. Okay. Shubham, you tell us. Shubham, tell us.
Ma'am,
What was your lie?
first one is the lie, and rest two are correct.
Okay.
You never enjoyed marketing
I
class.
twisted a
He said
sentence.
that.
No, he said that he used to enjoy this class.
नहीं
Yes, ma'am.
The last one was I never enjoyed marketing class.
Uh,
That
that
was
I
he said that.
That I twisted the sentence, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next, I think.
It is the truth only, right?
See, he is very clever.
You never
Florin.
enjoyed marketing class.
Okay. Next, who will go next? On my screen.
Me.
Okay. On my screen, I could see Sunitra now, then Florence, then Sornava. Let's listen to Sunitra.
Okay. So first 3 things which I'm going to discuss is like I make very tasty food. I
Or
accidentally killed a person through car, and I love car driving.
I love car driving. I like tasty
I think
food.
all are lies, ma'am.
What was second one?
I think the last one is lie, ma'am.
What was
मुझे
second
सुनाई
one?
नहीं दिया.
फिर से बोलो एक बार. Third one.
Sunitra second.
मैम सुनाई नहीं दिया.
Sunita, repeat.
Sunitra, please repeat. Second, repeat करो एक बार.
First one is second is I killed a person accidentally, and the third is I love car driving.
Okay. Guys.
Second one, ma'am.
Okay. Second one.
Third one, Sunetra, you love curd rice.
I
That
think
is what you
third
said.
one.
Not
Third
car
one.
rice, car
Car
driving.
riding.
Huh?
Car driving.
Not car
Car
rice.
riding, car
Acha, acha,
riding.
acha, okay. Okay. Okay.
Car riding, I guess.
Acha. Third one, I think.
Third one.
So Netra,
Six,
last
no,
one.
Last one.
So the majority says last one. Please tell us.
Now the majority is second. The thing is that second is one.
Not
second
audible.
Jude.
No. I know that ma'am. I said the second one.
Okay.
Well,
Yeah. Why don't you put your second statement in the chat? We are not able to actually listen it properly. Okay.
मैम एक्चुअली कार्ड से मैं कार्ड तो अच्छी लगती है लेकिन एक्सीडेंट हुआ था वो लकीली
Oh my god.
कुछ हुआ नहीं तो वाले चीज इसीलिए मैंने उसको रिलेट करके डाला था कि एक्सीडेंटली फील कर दिया मैंने
Okay. Yeah. So next will be Shrikant, followed by Swarnava.
Srikanth, very interesting.
Yes, ma'am. So, first thing is I'm very good at continental cuisine. And second thing is I have met Bollywood actress Shilpa. And third one is once upon a time I was good at studies, very good at studies.
Wait, what is third one, Shrikant?
Once upon a time I was very good at studies.
What
Like
is the first one?
Ma'am, I think second
Continental.
one.
First one, continental
Second one,
cuisine.
ma'am.
Second, he met Shilpa Shetty. Third, he was good at studies. He was.
Ma'am, second one is the lie.
Second one.
Second one is the lie.
third one is like
Okay. Other people. I really don't know you people.
Second one.
Third one.
Second one is the lie.
Second one is a lie.
Second one could be possible, ma'am, because it's Srikanth, so can't
And
can't take a chance.
married.
No, thing is, second one, he might feel it is true, but it might not be Shilpa Shetty. He said
Know
Shilpa.
about his passion. You know about his
Shilpa
passion.
Shetty. No, Shilpa Shetty only. I'm giving clue also.
Okay. So, guys,
Shall I
majority goes
reveal?
with which? With which? Second or third? How many of you say second?
Second option.
Second, ma'am. Second.
Second. So, Shrikant, please spill the bean.
Srikanth disappeared.
Yes, ma'am. Like I was not able to hear, so I just muted my video.
Okay. So, Shrikant,
Yes, ma'am. So the answer is first one actually, not second one and third one.
Ma'am, I told
I know
first one. Ma'am, I
you all
told
will guess
first
this one as correct. I played like in my UG I was good at studies. Why? Because that is like very practical things. And coming to that Shilpa thing, I have met her in Goa. And this continental cuisine, I was not into cooking it. Just formality only. So I know nothing. Much.
See, I told you. It's Srikanth.
Ma'am, I won the game first round.
yeah, no one could
Not
actually
able to
guess it. Okay. Anyways, I mean, more people are left.
Ma'am, I told the first one.
Okay. Swarnava. So Hasina was close to it. Hasina is having a point. Swarnava, now your turn.
Yes, my first is I am a very active guy. Second one, I quit smoking cigarettes. Third one is I love IB campus.
First one.
What is the first one?
First one.
Definitely first one.
First one.
110%.
He is an active guy.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you also started smiling once you said that option. Could you please?
He
Ma'am
doesn't
also
look
used to
one.
say
He
me.
doesn't look one active guy, but he may
As long
be.
as sleeping is considered an activity, it is definitely first one.
Okay, guys, please tell which one. Majority, what do you think?
Ma'am, I
One.
couldn't hear the third
First
option.
one.
Okay,
But
first he said.
still it's first option.
First he said
First option.
active guy. Second he said he quit smoking. Third one he said he love IB campus. Look, third
Third
one.
option could be possible.
Third is true.
Ma'am, first option.
First option. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. First option.
Everyone knows me.
First option. So you are an active guy. So, is it a lie, Pranava?
Yes, ma'am.
It was an obvious choice. Okay. Next, I could see Ajay. So we will go with Ajay, followed by Suyash, then Hasina, Neha, Manisha.
I like different types of cars. My career first choice after BTech is MBA. I don't like sitting long hours in class.
So you
First,
sleep.
what was the first one?
I like driving types of cars, different types of cars.
Second one?
I don't. My career first choice after BTech is MBA.
I know the answer.
Third choice I don't like.
I also know second one.
I think second one, ma'am.
Second one.
Second one, I guess.
We all feel second
Yes,
one.
ma'am, second one.
Yes,
Ajay,
ma'am.
Correct.
is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Predictable. So let's listen to Suyash now.
I like travel.
Hmm?
I like traveling.
Hmm.
I like marketing, and I get higher
Third
marks.
one. Third one.
What
I
is
get
the
higher marks
Third
in
one.
Rupna? What is
finance and
the
marketing.
what is the third one?
अभी तक बोला नहीं वही
I get
होगा.
higher marks in finance and marketing.
First one.
First one.
First one होगा.
First one.
Third one is lie.
Third one is a
No.
lie. He didn't get the highest marks. He liked, but
अच्छा,
Yes.
finance,
Suyash takes the marks.
Ma'am, first one is a lie. First one is a lie.
Ma'am,
नहीं,
I
first
think
one
third
is
one.
facts. Third one.
जब लॉकडाउन हुआ था तब ये बोल रहा था
Third
कि सब
one.
लोग अभी अंदर रहेंगे, अच्छा है, मेरे को कंपनी मिलेगी.
Okay. Akhil, are you there? नहीं, let's bring the bring Florence so that थोड़ा variety हो जाएगा. Let's listen to Florence.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Suyash didn't say the answer, no? Or I
No,
was
he
not
said
audible.
third
that
one.
time.
Third one,
He said-
third one.
He said, okay.
Yeah. Florence.
Florence.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my first option is I have never fallen from scooty. And my second option is I like spicy food more than sweets. And the third one is I prefer shopping rather than eating food.
Ma'am,
Third one,
First
third
option.
one.
First
Third
option.
one.
Third one.
No, first
Third one, ma'am.
First
Third
option.
one.
First option.
Third one.
Arre, no, not
First
first
option.
one. I
Not
know.
Third one.
Third one,
She
third
told us.
one.
Third
Neha
one.
knows better.
Okay,
She likes
final
spicy
answer
food.
है
Third one
majority.
only.
Third one.
Majority बताओ.
Third.
I think first.
Third
मुझे
one.
first लगता है. She has fallen from scooty.
No,
She's
ma'am.
saying I've never.
Yeah.
I think इसने
Ma'am,
never
maybe
used
she
किया था.
never-
Ma'am,
maybe she never drove
She
scooty.
said I have fallen, no?
I
Yes,
never.
ma'am.
Never बोला है.
I said I have never fallen from
Yes.
Ah, you fall
Yes.
down. No, you said.
No, I have still now I am not given the answer.
Acha,
First
acha.
is the false.
Which one
First
is
is
the
the lie.
majority?
First is the lie. For me, first
No,
is the lie.
ma'am.
I think
No,
third,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Third one is
I
the
think
lie.
third.
Third option, ma'am.
See,
Okay.
Florence, I know you more.
Please, Florence, tell us.
Yes, ma'am. Third one is the lie.
Okay.
I love food rather than shopping.
Okay. But she is going into retail. Okay. Let's listen to Manisha now. Manisha, and then we'll come to Akhil, followed by Neha and Hasina. Manisha.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. First one, I travel a lot. I did camping and trekking. Second, I love cooking. Third, I write poetry.
ma'am, second.
Third one is
Second वो करती है. I know.
First,
third one is lie. Third one is lie.
first is a
I
lie.
saw pictures like first option and second option, but third option I never saw pics in Instagram.
First option.
So I think third.
First option.
I think first. First is a lie.
Ma'am, I
First option.
First.
second.
Third option.
First option.
First option,
First. Okay. Manisha, what is the answer?
ma'am, it's second one. I said I love cooking.
Yes,
I
ma'am. I told. Yes, I also told.
These people are playing very smart, you know. Akhil?
So eating, ma'am, she does not like.
I'm
Acha, she
only
likes
so-
eating.
I love false.
Akhil?
Akil.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm coming.
Yeah.
Wait.
Akhil.
Come out of from Walmart CEO, please.
Yeah, I know.
As my friend said.
Okay, ma'am. The first one is I like my co-mentees a lot.
Ma'am, this one is the truth.
Again,
No, this one is the
Epic,
truth.
Second,
Ma'am, I'm damn sure.
second one is like I just post quotes in my WhatsApp just because I like them, and I don't have any story behind it.
No other word.
No, this is the lie.
Say the third one.
Third one, I like finance a lot, man.
Also,
Finance.
Third,
I'm sure. Third one.
It was the obvious
It
answer.
was in my group, ma'am. This is false.
Me and Akhil know, ma'am, how much we love finance.
Ma'am, I'm also there.
Same group.
Yeah.
Third one, ma'am. Yes, third one is a lie.
It was an easy one. Okay, let's
Yes,
listen to Hasina, followed by Neha. I think only Hasina and Neha left, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, let's listen Hasina. Hasina, you want to go first or Neha?
You choose, ma'am.
अरे तुम लोग कुछ भी चूज कर लो. ये तो वार्म अप गेम है. गेम तो उसके बाद शुरू होगा.
Neha.
Okay, Neha, चलो.
Okay. My first option is I love sleeping more than dancing. My second option is I have met Shaktiman. And my third option is I have tried chicken during this COVID-19.
Possible in second option.
Second option.
तीनों झूठ लग रहे हैं. All three are
Second
झूठे.
option.
All three are close to lie.
I think all three are lies.
No, ma'am, she likes dancing more than sleeping.
So दो lie है.
Ma'am, but
लॉकडाउन में तो
Second one is the lie.
नहीं, हो सकता है मुकेश खन्ना से
शक्तिमान
मिली हो
नहीं.
कभी. वो पॉसिबल है. शक्तिमान से मिल सकती है.
I'm third one.
Third one.
No, ma'am.
Third one.
Yes, ma'am, third
Second
one.
one.
हाँ,
Third
बढ़िया
one,
खाएगी
third one.
chicken.
Final, ma'am, third one.
Ma'am, third one.
Third one, ma'am. Third
चलो, बताओ भाई नेहा.
बता दूं?
Second.
Yes.
Second.
Third one, ma'am. I have never tried chicken.
हाँ.
When you met
चलो
Shaktiman?
टाइम पे मैंने अपना आंसर चेंज कर लिया.
During my school time.
Okay. Hasina.
Okay, ma'am. So my first option is once upon a time I want to be a fashion designer. Second option is I am a health freak. And the third option is I love riding bike.
Okay. Riding bike.
Second option.
Health freak.
Second option.
Health freak. Health freak.
second option.
She's a health freak.
Second option.
I'm second option.
Second option.
I think second is the lie, ma'am. Second option.
Uh,
I saw her outside many times eating food, so.
Second option.
Eating everything.
मुझे मेंटेन कर रखा है लड़की ने. अगर है भी तो लड़की तो हेल्थ फ्रीक ही है. I am confused.
What was your first option?
First option, once upon a time, she wanted to be a
Fashion designer.
Oh, that is true. That is true.
That one is true.
That is true. Health freak and bike riding. I think I will go with option number 3. I don't know.
मैम पहले पूछते हैं बाइक राइडिंग इन द सेंस पीछे बैठ के कि चला रहा हूँ.
चला के.
Good question.
Second one.
Second one.
Second one, ma'am.
Okay. So tell us, Hasina.
Yes, ma'am. Second option.
Yeah, correct.
She's a health freak. Great. So I hope you people had some fun during this.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you now willing
Yes,
for some
ma'am.
serious stuff? It was very chill stuff. This was an easy stuff, right? So the next round will be something. So I think the winner of this game was Durga Shrikant and Hasina, because Durga Shrikant can actually fool most of us, and it was only Hasina who could understand him fooling.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Right?
Ma'am,
Okay.
thank you.
So the next round is I have made your rooms. I have made your rooms. I will open the rooms. What you have to do is this. It is a team game. So each team will have 3 members. I have already given the members. The rooms are being made. You first within a team, you think